The injury news keeps coming, and none of it is good. This time from Hunter Lawrence posting on his Instagram saying, quote, I got the MRI results back and my shoulder has some fractures, which isn't an issue compared to the torn ligament that is requiring surgery. I'm going to get it fixed and come back 100% to go battle for the outdoor and SMX title again. Thank you to all my amazing partners who continually support us and are the reason all of this is possible. We will get this 2025 turned around soon enough. See you at select upcoming races for for their factory fan zone, whatever. So this sucks. I mean, obviously that means HRC has no 450 riders. Between his brother being out now and him being out, there is two big names injured, not racing the rest of the year, and not good. I mean, between them, Prado, or well, Jet, Hunter, Prado, Tomac, you just people are falling like flies right now, and it sucks. What was going to be or what should have been an incredibly deep field should have been incredible racing, top names from all over the world racing against each other is now, well, who's going to survive the season? That's basically it. You're going to win this title by not completely injuring yourself. I mean, even Cooper Webb came into this year with an injury that nobody knew about, and it's just it's one of those things that like you see multiple people say it's 450s. They're too powerful, they're too fast, they're making the tracks too difficult to try and make it more fun to watch. I don't know what you want to call it. So who knows? Who knows what the fix is? Is it going back to 125s and 250s? Is it 350s being the biggest bike you can ride? And who knows? I mean, it was a split second thing. You can tell he comes out of the corner. He's just not lined up completely right. Ends up jumping off the track, hitting a tough block, and landing on his shoulder. And I've seen people too complaining about, oh, blaming the tough blocks. If they weren't there, he wouldn't have crashed. And it's like, well, if they weren't there, he would have continued off into the, start finish box. And that's never good. It just sucks to see. I mean, obviously, you never want to see anybody get injured, and you never want to see big names, especially the guys that most people are paying to go and watch. Let's be honest. The privateers, you definitely need them, but it's the big factory guys are the ones that people are paying to go see. They're the ones that you're buying their merch for. You're going to, especially with the Lawrences, you're paying the VIP $1,500 race package to go and hang out with them for probably an hour of all day long. But I mean, it sucks to see. You never want to see anybody injured, especially something like that, which is just a split second stupid mistake. And I mean, that's how it works. That's how injuries happen. You can't say one way it was bad or good, or I mean, obviously it's never good, but hopefully, hopefully you can get this fixed and come back for outdoors and be a factor and see from there. But it's kind of sad to see how many people are dropping in the 450s right now. And well, we'll see who wins the Gladiator at the end of the year. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who do you think wins the title? Do you think, your favorite person is going to stay healthy the whole time or whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.